How do we go poop in the woods? Well, first thing, I'm standing on the trail. You want to be quite a ways away from the trail. I'm going to go this way into the woods. About 200 feet or about 70 paces. Okay, there's a trail over there. And behind me, I'm kind of going to go in, find me a nice secluded spot. And go ahead and take care of that before I do some major hiking today. Here's a nice spot with a rotten log. I'm far enough on the trail. Semi-secluded right here. Let's go for it. Poop kit. I keep mine in this outside pocket right here on my back. Got it already in a wag bag. Got some, supposedly these napkins from fast food places work pretty well. And of course I'm not going to show you actual going to the bathroom, but kind of give you an idea of what I have in here. I've got some dude wipes. Now, of course, females can use these too. Dude wipes, you need to pack those out though, because they are not biodegradable. Got a little small roll tissue on the go from Coghlan, which is just a small little compact roll. A Deuce shovel, number 3, and some hand sani. Okay. Our spot is right over here. It's secluded, quite a ways from the trail. No one can see me. No one's going to step in it. Good to go. This whole bag I'm carrying my kit in is called a wag bag. In some areas out west require you to carry your poops out. Some areas out east too. One I can think of in particular is Buffalo River here in Arkansas, because of the trying to keep the pristine quality of the water. They do that there. Now the spot that I went was right there, but you can't tell. You can see this floor is disturbed a little bit. At no time is your trowel to touch your own excrement. That is not for that. This is really for digging the hole. Dig you a 6-inch cat hole using a trowel like the Deuce, whatever version you might want. It's nice and lightweight. Dig you about a 6-inch hole. Do your business, and then cover it up with the topsoil. If it's allowed in your area that you're visiting, you can put the toilet paper or whatever you're using to wipe with in the hole as well. The idea is over time that will biodegrade and it won't even be noticeable. Now, the one thing I forgot to mention before, this bag right here is just a clear plastic Ziploc bag. I'll put my used, which is off camera, wipe in there because the wipes are not biodegradable. They are pretty sturdy. That's it for now. Hey folks, Natural Medic here. Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it and gained some value from it, please give me a thumbs up to let me know that you liked it, and it helps get the video out to other people here on YouTube. Please leave your comments below to add to the discussion for the community. Helps everybody out to learn more and to be more interactive. Any affiliate links down below, I may get a small return or cutback on those. It helps support the channel. I appreciate you doing that. Anything additional to follow those links. If you make a purchase, and it helps the channel out. Thanks again so much for being here and viewing the video. I'll see you out there on the trail. Take care.